This was supposed to be a casual reading month, but my TBR attacked me. This month's reading was pure chaos. I laughed, I cried, and I questioned some of my life choices. Here's a monthly reading wrap for me. King of Envy by Anna Huang. Morally grey, brutally addictive, and a little bit predictable, this book made me root for the villain again. Dialbound by Sable Sorensen. If Fourth Wing and Zodiac Academy had one baby, it would be this book right here. Dark, romantic, and completely unhinged, this book had me at the edge of my seat throughout the entire journey. Silver Elite by Danny Francis. This book felt a little overhyped once I started reading it, but I wasn't about to DNF it. If Elite Schools, Forbidden Love, and Secrets are your jam, then this book is going to deliver, although it does have a dystopian backdrop instead of actually being a dystopian book. Rewinded back by Liz Tomford. I came for the hype, I stayed for the feels. This book was the best one out of all the ones in the Windy City series, and I loved every single page. It had nostalgia like stuffed up to the brim in it. A heart-stopping, swoon-worthy second chance romance with all the Y2K feels stuffed into one single book. Better than the movies by Lynn Painter. Imagine references to all your favorite romantic movies as a backdrop to a book, along with a fake dating trope and a boy next door who will make your heart melt. This book was basically a really light read and a good palate cleanser. Nothing like the movies, but I came for Liz and Wes, but somehow the magic that they had created in the first book did not reflect in this one. I had to just sit through it because I really like the characters, the way that they were portrayed in the first book, and I couldn't just stop halfway. I also managed to read Avalon Tower and Veil of Dreams by C.N. Crawford and Alex Rivers. Dark Academia with a backdrop of Zodiac Academy and basically spies who are trying to fight against the Fae. This book was fun, it was a little different, and I'm currently on book 3, so let's see how this goes. The Rival Crown by Holly Renee. I tried it, I paused it, I finally DNF'd it. The book just wasn't for me. I did not feel the same connection or the magic with the characters in the books 1 and 2. Great Big Beautiful Life by Emily Henry. This is an Emily Henry book. I'm a sucker for Emily Henry books, so that's where I leave it. May was definitely chaotic. There were a lot of different types of books that I read, and definitely a lot more that I'm planning on reading in June. Let me know if you've read any of these books and if you like them enough.